A thought without action is a weightless electrical charge. You're just daydreaming. So if you want to accomplish a goal, whether it's in or outside the ring, you need a structured plan of action. Here I give you 3 easy to follow steps to accomplish any reasonable goal. And if you don't hit it, I have an accountability aspect of it that'll show you exactly where you went wrong so you can put that missing piece of the puzzle where it belongs, re-engage, and hit that target the second time around. Step number 1. With crystal clarity, describe exactly what it is that you want. Not kinda, not sorta. Say you want a nice car. You can't just say I want a nice car. You gotta say I want this make, this model, these features, these colors. The more accurately you can describe what it is exactly you want, the more likely you'll get exactly what it is that you want. Step number 2. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Your short-term goals, your daily tasks will step by step bring you closer and closer to accomplishing your long-term goals. So as long as you're organized and you stack these daily tasks, organize and prioritize, time is on your side. You're going to keep knocking them down until eventually you get to the end of the road, you hit that goal, and you're looking for a new one. Step number 3, the icing on the cake. This is what makes it real. You got to put a deadline on it. If you don't put a deadline on it, it's not real. It's kind of like filling out a check without putting your signature on there. Ain't getting no money. You got to cash that check. You want to cash it, you got to put your signature on there, right? So when you put a deadline on there, you make it real. So that when that deadline comes, if you didn't hit that goal, you're going to be able to look back at your plan of action and see again, whatever piece of the puzzle was missing, it'll be clear to you. And you can put that piece where it needs to be. You can come right back and hit that target the second time around. And the last thing I'll put in there is kind of a bonus on the side. What is your purpose? Or why are you doing what you're doing? Maybe make yourself a vision board or just meditate daily on why you started to begin with. Is it a person, a place, whatever it is that you have in mind that you want to get to or you want to help out, or there's a million different reasons why people do things. But basically, you want to remind yourself before you go on your daily mission why you're doing this so that you can kind of create that environment where your passion is unlimited and you're just always engaged and you kind of go right in the flow state and you lose track of time and you're so preoccupied with hitting this goal, nothing will stop you. I hope you found this informative. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Go check me out on Instagram. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, by the way. And online course is out now. It's amazing. The feedback has been great. Link is in the description. Let me know what you think. Till the next time, we up out of here. Ow.